Want to save your Microsoft Teams messages directly into Google Sheets? In this guide, we'll show you how to automatically log new channel messages into a spreadsheet. No copy-pasting required. On your Appy Pie Automate dashboard, click Explore. Search for Microsoft Teams and select it from the results. On the Microsoft Teams Integrations page, scroll down, find Google Sheets, and click it to open the Microsoft Teams plus Google Sheets workflow. You'll see the available triggers, actions, and ready-to-use templates. Click Get Started with Microsoft Teams and Google Sheets integration to begin. Now select Microsoft Teams as your trigger app and choose New Message Posted to Channel as the trigger event. Next, choose your team, then select the channel you want to monitor. Run a quick test to pull in a sample message and confirm the connection works. Next, select Google Sheets as your action app and choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. Select the spreadsheet and the worksheet where your messages will be logged. Now map the fields. Username from Microsoft Teams Google Sheet column. Text message from Microsoft Teams Google Sheet column. Run a test to confirm a new row is added automatically. Once it looks good, click Activate Connect to finalize the automation. To test it live, post a new message in the selected Microsoft Teams channel. Check your Google Sheet and you'll see the username and message appear instantly. And that's it! Your Microsoft Teams messages are now automatically saved into Google Sheets using Appy Pie Automate.